King J had hoped getting baptized would do the trick, but his nightmare scenario continued. Jahmiel's claims almost beg a belief. His a story of spiritual warfare, even poisoning.
Continue. My good in a man cranium.
Jahmiel's name called since around 2015.
We no frightened for your spondyle. But you have one shoes alone.
Gain the world, the one that did it.
Lose them soul for gain the world. When I switch for the table.
Whole heap of people out there when I sell out for the success, so it's relatable and it'll always rain.
Enough of them lose them soul for gain the world.
But new DJs and different tracks calling the shots in 2022.
The music diluted still, you see what I say? Yeah, not much substance. Them a last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And that means I go on still.
Is it just like you open your mouth and something comes out and that's it?
That me see I go on, a man just sing anything what come out them mind, a man nah no morals and them thing there. It's what I say, come like people no value themselves no more, them just sing anything and I feel like that now go last.
He's careful though not to knock the current crop.
Some of them a lose them way, but at the same time I nah go judge them because watch you know, you can start out a certain way and then when you reach the end of the tunnel you see the light, so I nah judge nobody because I'm not perfect. I make my mistake them too.
And Jahmiel says his thing doesn't stop here.
Africa gravitate to Jahmiel because of the good music we do. Europe gravitate to Jahmiel. You name it. I just do myself and my music and you find out say the world gravitate to my song and the message and what I stand for, you get me? My songs are deal with life and a real life situation, real life experiences. I don't know when I left for God out and nothing what I do. So my music represent life happenings, but over from the positive side.
But in terms of top 10 material,
if you are focused on the local scene, you might say Jahmiel in the top 10, but you have a thing when you hard you map Jahmiel level in the top 5. You see me? And when my statements them come, my royalty states are different thing, brother. I'm good, I'm great.
Sweet music. As a righteous warrior.
his album including a track with Massacre out today.
Took some time to finish up the project, but I'm very comfortable with where it's at. Legend is the name. Legend. Because that's how I see myself. I see myself as a great artist, a great at what I'm doing, a star at what I'm doing. Nobody can tell me less.
But is he a legend? Bob Marley is a legend. Isn't it a little too early for you to be a legend, or you've decided you're a legend?
Me, what you know, when I tell myself, say, I'm not great. I never tell myself I'm not great. I see myself as a great individual at what I do. When I touch in Africa, legend, great man. You see what I say? I recently I on a flight, Zine, with popcorn, and me and him have a conversation. I say, yo, Jahmiel, you need to focus on Africa, you know. You see me? Them people, they love you differently, and them don't love everybody.
What's a show like in Africa for you?
15,000, you name it, man. Nothing under that, man. You see me? And like, them know all of my songs, them word for word. Even songs where my Jamaican massive might not know Africa, know them word for word. No joke. I can't left my hotel. Because if I left my hotel, I riot.
At some point, you didn't want to talk about the MVP thing. MVP, a triad of Mavado and Alkaline, along with Jahmiel as the junior and now departed partner. Can you finally put that in context and tell us what happened?
MVP are just the past, man. You see me? I focus on my team, I focus on Patriots. Patriots stands alone, you see me? And that.
Everybody still talks?
No, not that. What was the issue? That good, man.
Is there anything you can say about it, though, that would shed some light on why?
Jahmiel is a leader, you see me? And I just have to do what I have to do, you see me? The kind of feel held back and decide to make my move, you see me? Me see where I need to focus on my building, my brand, you see me? Because sometimes I feel like I get overshadowed, you see me? So at the end of the day, if we have to make a step and build with things, we have to do that.
You don't know how you become look fine now.
In terms of how things have panned out since then, was that the right decision
Definitely
to make?
for me. Is what I say, because a lot of people feel like say, oh, Jahmiel now have him own shows that go on and them things there. You see me? We get calls every day. Once the numbers right, I'm out of there. Is what I say? Patriots are Patriots, man. Remember saying, no man boss me, no Anthony Miller. Remember saying, I come from the scene and say, we no front house on the hill. Get my number one. You know how much work I put in before I get all the number one there. Whole heap of hard work I do, man. So everything where you see Jahmiel have now, you deserve it and work for it, work hard for it. You see it?
But since MVP, hasn't there been less shine on Jahmiel as opposed to when you were with MVP?
No, I'm not going to say that. I still have my fan base going. We just come back from Guyana, though. Guyana we just come back from. We have England come up. It's almost we have St. Martin come up. You name it, like nothing to change because I'm always have my day one fans them where a Jahmiel them I deal with. Them not change, them loyal to me and when me I deal with.
Lord is my light and salvation.
On to his baptism in 2021.
Do you pledge to serve the Lord in spirit and in truth and in holiness for as long as you shall live? If so, kindly say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Taking waters to overcome, as he put it, the spiritual warfare he was going through at the time.
Every day, me stay sober man there, I feel my life, I left my body. Me I got a doctor, me I take pill for months, that not change. Nothing not change. Is when I say, so we stay sober, I'm alright, I go baptize, when we go baptize, no pastor, I say, yo, when you baptize, you know, that I go lock certain portals, so you're not going to get certain attack no more. The demons, them not going to attack you. I listen to him, I baptize. When I baptize, nothing not change. Some stay sober, no man, I'm not used to myself, I feel that way. Sometimes I used to there in my yard, and I have to run out of my yard, run to church, them anoint me, and then it will ease when I feel. Like some scary thing, I have to stay sober now, and I meet up a high priest from up a Bobo Hill. Then I will stay sober, I go up on 7-day trad, fasting up in the wilderness, up in the hills. And that's how I get delivered from where me that go through. The whole other baptism thing is just a phase. I'm not discredit the church or nothing because them help me to find my way. But at the end of the day, I'm a follower of Christ. And if you read Revelation, you're going to find Rasta.
Jahmiel then ups the ante with claims of also being poisoned.
If I expect good from the evil, surround myself with the wrong people. Yeah, them we kill for no reason. All me do is bring forth my fruits in my due season.
You know what them do to me? Them put things in my food. Somebody close to me put a fax me, I tell you, I'm not going to call the name, you know. But people put things in my food to try and mash me up.
You are being poisoned.
Poison. People are close to me poison me.
How do you know? How do you know you are being poisoned?
I pass out things when I'm in a human being. I pass out that.
What would the motivation have been to do something like that to you?
Greatness. And what you know now? You have people who have things, you know. I don't want to see you have things, you know. And that just mess up.
So I'm going back now to the point where you're about to become baptized. Were you going through a spiritual crisis at that point?
Yo, me I run up and down like a headless chicken. I got a doctor for my stomach. Them give me pill, me I take pill for months. I stay so bam now, we got a revivalist church. That no work neither. We stay so bam now. Where else we go? Psychiatrist. I take too much pill, that now work. I can't sleep.
When you say pills, you were on antidepressants?
Yeah, we take that, we take pill for gastric. We take all kind of pills, man. And that now work, brother. That now work, me I wonder what. Yo, you think a joke thing for see my family, my entire family in front of me and cry because them can't help me. Shout out to my mother who say, John, come here and say, oh, mommy, just make me dead in peace, not make me die in peace. And my mother said, no, you're not dead. Speak life, speak life. I literally feel my breath left my body. Literally feel my breath left. I don't know what kind of feeling that, brother. How them walk the voodoo. Certain aisle where them put in your food. See? Cause certain things we can pick you up. It's so serious still, brother. One night time I can't even post on Instagram. I can't put once I put a picture on Instagram, I feel sick. If I go in a studio for record music, I feel sick. See? I'm set so bam now and go on a spiritual journey for 7 days. And I get delivered from that.
I know Jah won't fail me, no matter the times. Jah won't, yeah.
Me know my enemy, and my enemy know me. See? And you see me now, come for sure my enemy say, a good over evil, and you can't keep a good man down. And that means they have to show them say God real. Anthony Miller, you probably not believe in a certain things, but it go as far as me seeing things in a different realm. I'm there around people who see the thing to with me, and I make it look like a normal thing.
A kind of footer thing. You mean like you're seeing things?
Brother, Me look like my mad. Me ain't a madman, Anthony. You know me as my madman, brother. A real life, me I tell you about, man. People make me go through hell on earth, brother. And right now, a retribution time. That me I tell you. Word sound power.
What form is retribution going to take?
Music, man. Listen to the music if you want to know what's going on with Jahmiel. And that is my rap. My music.
Give me a line from one of the songs on the album that kind of touch on the topic of what
I
happened
could
to
have
you.
survived the road when I walk on. Close friend try poison me organ. Revamp could have be some of my last songs. Them a say to themselves some of my last long. Take a tread in the hills like Tarzan. Bring me problems to Jah. Can't man. And them one sword them a go fall upon consequences of your action. Yeah.
Still they tryna break me. I know Jah won't fail me. No matter.
I feel like I did last. I feel like I did. Yo, you see all the first day when I stay sober and make a step, man, I feel something heavy come off of my brother. All along I feel normal until I stay sober, man. Chuck off. You know I see, and I feel something heavy come off of me. I say, oh, what is this?
Story of my life. Oh mama, I was only tryna make it right. Still they tryna break me. I know Jah won't fail me. No matter the time.